All right, everybody, we're out here with the RealAcc R20. A legend. It's a legend. Look at that beauty. This is the Tello killer right here. I'm telling you, this is nice. I think this is my second time flying it. Let me start some video. I got that permissions out of the way. Now let's start some video again and take off. Not that way, fool. Okay. I'm gonna have to work out some trim on this sucker. God, does that thing want it to drift? What's that optical flow on these fucking things? Okay, I got it. I got it figured out. Now on mine, the flip button does not work most of the time. For some oddball reason. It's like connected to the... See how it does the rate noise? When I do the flip button? Oh, now it does it. Okay, so now it'll do it. It just does it once in a while. It won't do it all the time. See, that's the issue with mine. I think this thing just has flawed controllers, man, to be honest with you. Because the first one I got of this, the controller was no good. Look how it's like I'm leaning on the... It's like I'm leaning on the controller. It's like it's sticking in the... Look how it just... It's like I'm pushing on the controller, but I'm not. You know what I mean? So the input is sticking on this thing. No doubt. If you got it set right, it'll fly great. Okay, I already know that. Quit messing with these damn junky ass toys. When you get the controls all straightened out, this thing will fly great. Until then, go pound salt. Okay. There's another flip. Yay. Flips work sometimes on mine. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Don't think they should have put any kind of optical flow on this thing at all. That was a mistake. If you're going to put optical flow on a quadcopter, put good optical flow. Don't put this shitty optical flow on here that dances around all the time and all that shit, you know. You know, that's no good to do that. It don't even know which way it's going right now. Well, it used to be a Tello killer. Today, it's just flying like shit. What the hell is wrong with this thing? Oh. A couple of the feet are missing. I see that. Let me land it real quick and see if those feet are in the bag. So maybe that's messing up with the level. So I'll take all the feet off and I'll re-level it. Who knows what that's gonna do? Who knows? Well, I think that might have been the problem. When I did the level calibration, it wasn't level, you know, because the two of those feet were missing on it. Now look at the difference how it's flying. So that was just my dumb shitness. Is that a word? I mean, look at it flying now. Completely different from the way it was flying. Completely different. Oh, TDR, you freaking moron. Oh, well. You can't have everything, right? Now it's a tello killer. Okay. Now it's killing the tello. Okay. Oh, this thing blows smoke up the tello's ass for flying, okay? There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. I mean, look at this thing. Wow. I mean, this thing is smoking, man. Wow. Okay, guys, so now you know there's a reason for having level calibration, okay? So there's a reason for it, okay? TDR, you idiots. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video because I want to save the video. So we'll have something, hopefully. But man, it's landing anyway. But good, I saved the video in the nick of time. But what a difference, man. What a difference taking the legs off, or the feet, when it wasn't level. Man, you saw all that struggling I was doing to keep it going, and took them off, set it back down, recalibrated it, boom, flew like a dream. That's the way it's supposed to fly. The RealAcc R20. Man, this thing flies great, as long as you're not a retard like me. Okay, see you later.